Hi, I'm Sarah Jane from Natural Heating. And if you've got a Hwam stove and you've lost control of your knob and you want to know how to fix it, this is how. So the stove I've got today is a Hwam 4620C, and I've actually recreated this problem that my customer Andrew was having, and we had to get Hwam, Fred from Hwam that is, to step in and give us a bit of assistance. Now, there's no ash pan in this stove at the minute because I've just re-roped it and it's on the desk. But what Andrew's problem was, is this knob was just going round and round and round. This is the air control knob, and it should go from there to here. That's it, up and down, that's it, no further. But instead, this knob, like Andrew's, is now going round and round and the stove's not controlling. It's actually a really simple fix. Now, looking at my control rig, which I've got here, I'm going to show you, and I would never have guessed. If Fred hadn't told us what to do, I'd never have found out. I honestly wouldn't. This is the rig. This is the control mechanisms that's in the inside of the back of your stove. And this here is that knob. And all it is a tiny little screw. And the screw is, use your Allen key and tighten up that little grub screw onto the dial because it's just come loose or it's fallen out. So hopefully it's not fallen out and it's just loose. But I'm just going to tighten this back up just like I will on the display model and then show you it's almost impossible to... So here's a knob on this one. It looks like there's nothing there. And it's so close to the floor, and you try to get in to see it, but it's just down there. And it's sneaking in the side of the back panel, so it kind of tucks in and round, and you just miss it. So it's at 9 o'clock. And if you put can't even get the Allen key in from that side. If you put the Allen key in down the side, and it takes a bit of fiddling, you can find, I gotta do it with one hand. I'm probably out of alignment, but I can't do it with that angle. Literally, not with one hand anyway. You need to look, it's at 9 o'clock, and just tweak that Allen key in there and do it up real nice and tight. And that's it. That's it, all done, all sorted. And you'll have a working knob again. On this stove, there's my grub screw, and there is my little dial hole that points from the open to shut. And this one, zoom out, this one's got a flatted end. So the grub screw goes on the flatted end, so you just push the knob over the flatted end, and it's just going to keep spinning around until you do that little key up on here. And see, it's so hard. Now that's it done, all fixed and back up ready for use as soon as my seal for my ash pan has set. So, for more hints and tips and videos and reviews, give our Facebook page and our YouTube channel a like and come follow. Nice to see you.